Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily hide any files without using third-party app in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the My Files application and say let me open the internal storage. Let me open the download folder and now say I have some files here. So say I want to hide this respective file. So for this what you need to do is just tap and hold on it. And now just click on this more option. Now click on this rename. Now just before the name, just put a dot and click on rename. So you can see the respective file has been hidden. So similarly, you can do the same thing with the photo. Just tap and hold on the respective photo. And once again, click on this more. Click on this rename. Put a dot just before the name. Click on rename. So you can see the respective photo is being hidden. Now, in order to unhide those hidden files, just click on this three dot icons and click on the settings. Now, just turn on the show hidden system files and move back. Now you can see here, the hidden file is showing up. So if you want to unhide it permanently, just tap and hold on it. Click on this more option again. Click on this rename. And now just remove the dot which we have added. Click on rename. Now it will be permanently unhide. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily hide any files without using third-party app in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.